Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a gas golf cart that won't start updated. Begin by turning off the fuel valve and sniffing for stale gasoline, then drain and replace fuel if needed. Next, remove and inspect the spark plug for black deposits or a bad gap and replace if necessary. Finally, test the battery voltage and clean terminals to ensure a strong starter connection before further troubleshooting. Start by safely draining old fuel and refilling with fresh gasoline to avoid varnish and clogs. Remove the carburetor bowl and carefully clean jets and passages using a soft brush and compressed air if available. Replace the inline fuel filter and inspect fuel lines for cracks or blockages, then reconnect and test for steady fuel flow while cranking the engine to confirm the problem is resolved. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the channel to support more repair guides. Quick recommendation: bento box make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers, which save you time and keep oil and grease away from your toolbox while you work. Check the description for the product link and other deals, and pick one up if it helps you stay organized. Now let's get back to the video. Confirm spark by using a plug tester or grounding the plug, while a helper cranks the engine to see a strong blue spark. If the battery reads under 12.4 volts, recharge or replace it to ensure reliable starting and accessory power. Check the ignition switch, fuses, and safety interlocks like neutral or park switches, because a single faulty interlock can prevent the engine from starting despite a healthy fuel and spark system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.